इसी प्रकार हंसते लगते हैं, कभी कभी उसके प्रेम और दर्शन की अनुभूति से आनंद मग्न हो जाते हैं, तो कभी शीघ्र देह में स्थित होकर भगवान के साथ बातचीत करने लगते हैं। हे प्रभु, मैंने आपको इसमें एक बात प्राप्त किया, प्रभु के गुणों का गान करते लगते हैं, कभी उनकी स्मृति प्राप्त कर नृत्य करने लगते हैं, और कभी परम पुरुष को प्राप्त कर परम शांति का अनुभव करते हैं और चुप हो जाते हैं। भगवते बहुकाले कृष्ण चिंता भवे, हंसयान्वितः अलौकिक बले, नाचिदाय कृष्ण आलोचने सुपाय, लीलानुभवे है कृष्ण अनुभूत प्राय। इसी प्रकार साधक नाम करते करते कभी नाम प्रभु की कृपा से हृदय में कृष्ण के जैसे स्मरण लीलादि स्फूर्ति होती है। उस स्फूर्ति के अनुसार कभी वो हंसते हैं, कभी अलौकिक
So upon the appearance of bhav, the sadhak's internal and external activities becomes extraordinary. Due to remembering narration of Bhagwan, sometimes he cries, sometimes he laughs, sometimes he dances, sometimes he displays delight, and sometimes becomes silent. So sometimes realizing the Leelas, remembering the Leelas, they became very grave. Just like a person who has so valuable, who gets so valuable things, just like he hide himself and put that valuable things into the separate places. In this way, that bhakta, realizing the Bhagwan, sometimes they are very grave, keep silent. So upon the appearance of bhav, the sadhak's internal and external activities become extraordinary due to remembering narrations of Bhagwan. Sometimes he cries, sometimes he laughs, sometimes he dances, sometimes he displays delight, and sometimes becoming very silent. Sometimes he displays delight and sometimes becoming silence. Okay. In the Gambhira, Sriman Mahaprabhu was immersed in many transcendental sentiments and would reveal them to Swarup Damodar and Rai Ramananda. Mahaprabhu's mind used to completely drown in the ocean of Sri Radha's sentiments, and he became as if a mad person, sometimes losing external control, consciousness, and sometimes in Aradhya Bhav Das, and half external consciousness.
कभी उन्मत्त की भांति पशु पक्षी लोगों से कृष्ण का पता पूछते हैं, नहीं देखा कृष्ण को, रात्रि में धैर्य नहीं बनता, शांत वातावरण तथा अभिषेक के समय स्मृति के रास का स्मरण होता है, तब भाविष्ट होकर गान नृत्य करते।
Just like gopis seek at the Mahabhav,
जिस प्रकार कृष्ण रास से अंतर्ध्यान होने के बाद
Just like when Krishna disappears from the Ras Leela, disappeared from the Ras Leela,
गोपियां
gopis
विरह में
in the separation mode was so much agonized that
और उस दशा में
in that condition,
वृक्ष आदि के भी कुछ
so they were asking from the trees that have you seen our Krishna?
ये वृक्ष आदि
Hey Vriksha,
आप लोग को जमुना
hey
के
trees,
तट पर विराजमान
you are standing at the bank of Yamuna.
जमुना के निर्मल जल पान करते
You are taking the pure water of Yamuna.
जिस प्रकार संत महात्मा
Just like the Sant Mahatma,
गंगा आदि पवित्र तीर्थ में रहते
the Sant Mahatma used to live in the Ganga and other pilgrimage so that their heart remains very pure and calm.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In this way,
ये वृक्ष आदि
these all the trees,
तुम लोग तो जमुना के तट
so
पर
you all are
विराजमान हो
standing at the bank of Yamuna.
तुम लोग तीर्थवासी हो
You are the Tirthavasi, Dhamvasi.
सच्चरित्र गुड कैरेक्टर सच्चरित्रवान
So you have a great
तुम लोग
character.
झूठ नहीं बोलोगे
You cannot tell lie.
क्या हमारे पांच शास्त्र गोविंद के
Have you
आपने
seen our?
दर्शन किया?
Have you taken the darshan
दर्शन
of our
किया तो
Prankan
किस
Govind?
तरह गए?
Or if you have taken the darshan, so please tell us where he has
इस
gone.
प्रकार गोपियां
Where in which way he has gone.
भाव में विह्वल होकर के
So in this way, Gopiya was so much absorbed in the bhav and crying that time and asking from the trees and everywhere.
वृक्ष आदि कुछ उत्तर नहीं दे रहे
The trees were not reply anymore.
इसको देख करके
Seeing that,
गोपियां भाव में विह्वल
gopis
आप में एक कहने लगे,
are so much absorbed in bhav and said,
ये वृक्ष जो है
these trees
पुरुष जाति
is a man
है
caste like Purush
ये
Jati,
पुरुष जाति है और हम लोग स्त्री जाति हैं।
and we are the lady
पुरुष जाति के हृदय
Stri
कैसे
Jati.
होते हैं?
We are ladies.
कठोर
So the heart of their man's is so harsh.
स्त्रियों के हृदय मानव के हृदय कथा को जानते नहीं
They doesn't know the feelings of the heart of ladies.
इसलिए
That's why.
तुम लोग कठोर हृदय वाले हो वृक्ष
So being so hard-hearted, you are not replying us.
अथवा कोई कभी कहते हैं देखो
Some gopis are
इतने
saying,
बड़े-बड़े ऊंचे-ऊंचे
another gopis is saying,
दीर्घ
so they are so much tall, long,
किंतु इसके फल कैसे होगा
but how they have the fruit? Very small.
हैं? जो वृक्ष जितने लंबी होता
So the trees which so much long and higher,
इसके फल कैसे
so
होगा
the fruits of the trees are very small.
तात्पर्य क्या है गोपियां यह कहना चाहती हैं देखो
What's the meaning to say? The gopi would like to say these are miser. They are so rich still
दरिद्र की
behaving like it's still they are not finding or searching the bhav of that poor person. How they have so much small heart. They cannot understand our heart. They have so much tall, but still they are so much tall, but still they have a small fruit.
कोई गोपी कहते हैं देखो
Some gopis, another gopi is saying, just like
देख करके
Chat.
तालिका किसको कहते हैं बड़ी-बड़ी
Building.
शुद्ध
So much historical, so much tallest buildings, which is called Attalika. Tallest building.
और ऐसे विशाल अट्टालिका को देख करके
Seeing that tallest building,
दरिद्र व्यक्ति भिखारी
the
सोचते
poor
हैं,
person thinks,
आज एक ही घर में जाकर के मेरा झोली
So if I go in the one house, one home, one apartment, so my all the bags will be filled up with alms. So they thinks like that, and when they thinking this same thing in the mind, and whenever they go for alms and ask Bhiksham they, what they dhani, the rich peoples, what they do, they didn't give, they doesn't give any kind of, they don't give any kind of grains to them. So that uh, Vikari, what is it? Vikari, beggar. So where that beggar has so much deep thoughts in his mind that he will he will take a lot of grains from that historical building, from that high tallest building, but they have this kinds of feeling they had, but at least they have to be disappointed because that rich peoples are not giving any grain to them. So in this way gopis are thinking that these all the tallest these trees are so much tall, but still they doesn't have a broad heart because they are not replying us. In this way they are not know our heart, they doesn't know our heart, that how we are agonizing in the separation mode of Krishna. Just like rich people cannot understand the pain of a poor people, in the same way the trees are not understanding our heart. We have so much pain in our heart. So the people who are living in a very higher status or higher family, so they cannot understand the pain of poor family who has taken the born in the rich family. So since the childhood they have so much comfort zone, they have so much facilities, so they cannot understand the feelings of a poor man, that how they are surviving. In this same way, that how much pain in being poor. Tulsidas is saying, in this world, there is a chopai by saying by Tulsidas ji in the Ramcharitmanas. There is a chopai. अरे सीरियल a poor person in the Ramcharitmanas, there is a chopai, some quoting. So in this way gopis are saying these trees are very tall, so they are so rich, but they are not understanding the heart of the poor. In this way, at the time there is a wind flow that time, so by the flowing wind the branches of the branches of the trees was waving. Gopis are saying, look, they know everything, but still deny for us. What they are denying? They have taken darshan to Krishna because they have so much tallest. They are so much tallest because Krishna didn't go anywhere leaving Vrindavan, or they are so much tallest. And they are watching Krishna. That Krishna, where is Krishna? And getting the darshan of Krishna, they are so much getting pleasure, and they are not getting our pain, and that's why they are not replying us. They are not getting our pain. So saying this, Gopias left that place.
उस वृक्ष के आदि सिद्ध का प्रश्न करते करते गोपियां आगे बढ़ी। देखा क्या
and taking darshan of all the trees. So what they saw, there is a tulsi plant was there, tulsi brush, tulsi tree was there. So seeing the tulsi, Gopi is thinking she is a lady kind. She is a Sri Jati, because the trees are Purush Jati, so they are Vijati. But this Tulsi tree is a Sajati. So because Tulsi is just three caste, that's why she can. So this Tulsi can tell us the way of Krishna. Tulsi Krishna Priya. Hey Tulsi, you are very dearest to Krishna. Without you, Govind cannot sleep, cannot food, cannot eat. So if you have make so many food stuff or prepared rasoi and you are offering to Thakur Bhagwan and you haven't put Tulsi Patra and you have forgotten to put Tulsi Patra there, so Bhagwan won't take that Swikar. So if you have put in 56 kinds of food is stuff and you are offering to Thakurji, but you haven't put Tulsi Patra on that, so Thakurji won't take that. Thakurji won't accept that. So that's why it means Bhagwan, whenever Bhagwan takes the food, he always take Tulsi, and whenever he goes to the bed, he always take Tulsi ji. So whenever we put Shaligram Shila, so we ups and downs put Shaligram Shila, put Tulsi Patra there. So without the Tulsi, we cannot serve Thakurji. Every day the Pujari, he used to take the Tulsi and serve Thakurji. That's why it is saying the Tulsi is so much dearest to Thakurji. Whenever Thakurji take the garlands in his neck, so if there is no Tulsi, the Thakurji won't take it. That's why it is saying Tulsi Krishna Priya. Tulsi is so much dearest to Krishna. Eating, sleeping, all the time, Tulsi is required for the service of Thakurji. That's why gopis are saying, this Tulsi surely will tell us about the Krishna, because we are the Stri Jati, we are the ladies, and she is also the lady, so she can understand our pain. That's why gopis asking to the Tulsi, hey Tulsi, hey Kalyani Tulsi, please tell us, where is our Pran Priyatam Govind? He has gone. Where? In which way? But the Tulsi, he didn't reply it. Seeing that the gopis are saying she is lady caste, but still there is a special enviness and the jealousy in the ladies. So she is jealous with us. Sapatana. Oh, Sapatana. She has a bhav like that she is our co-wife. That's why she is not telling us. Co-wife. So
कृष्ण जरूर इसी रास्ते में गए और जाने के समय तुम्हें अति अवश्य
So that's why Krishna will go, when Krishna was going from this way, so he must have touched you, and you are so having that touch of Govind hand, so you are getting so much pleasure. How Gopiya came to know these all things? Gopiya saying, hey Tulsi, look how she is laughing. How she is laughing very loudly.
तात्पर्य क्या है?
What is the meaning here?
तुलसी के फूल होता है ना,
There's a flower in the tulsi, very small, very little.
मंजरियां जब बड़े होंगे,
When manjariya grows up,
इसके बाद आप
so
देखना
after
उसके
that
बाद
you will see there is a little flower on that.
सफेद और
Green.
ग्रीन रंग,
There is a white and green colors flower must be there.
नीला,
Neela or blue colors.
नीला के ऊपर सफेद,
Blue and white color flower must be there.
ध्यान से कैसे है?
If you pay attention on them, then you will find.
देखो,
Look.
ये हंस रही है।
So that's why the gopis are saying, oh, she is laughing.
कृष्ण जाने के समय
When Krishna was going from here through here, so Krishna must have touched his hand on this plants. So getting the touch of the hand of Krishna, they got so much pleasure. That's why they are laughing, because the flower of the tulsi is very lipid. It's very little, which is white color. So that's why gopis are saying she is laughing. They are showing their teeth,
हंस रही है।
showing her teeth, and that's why she is laughing.
कृष्ण के आदर, कृष्ण के स्नेह, प्रीति, सर्व सुख प्राप्त करके
Krishna's affection, Krishna's respect, getting all the things. That's why that's why this tulsi is laughing.
इसलिए
That in this way. So Tulsi knows everything, but having a co-wife relationship or co-wife bhav, she is not telling us.
कितना सुंदर विचार।
How beautiful the bhav is or vichar is this.
ऐसे करके गोपियां
In this way, the gopis go away, moved from there,
इतने समय
and that time
कृष्ण सार हिरण को देखा,
they at that place they saw
मानो उनके आंखों
Krishna,
काजल
colors like Krishna's deer.
है, उसको देख करके
They saw a deer whose color was like a Krishna's, like black. So seeing that deer, gopis are saying, "Hey dear, you must have taken the darshan of our Govind. Please tell us about Govind, that where he has hidden himself. Have you seen him at this time?" That the deer,
अवलोकन कर देख करके पुनः वो भयभीत होकर के
so at that time the deer saw the gopis and ran away after fearing from them.
इसी प्रकार
In this way,
महाभारत दशम में
in the Mahabharata Dasha,
और विरह होने पर
and the separation mode
पशु
comes,
पक्षी आदि की बड़ी क्रिया आदि देख करके
so
कृष्ण की विरह व कृष्ण मिलन की प्रबल उत्कंठा आदि प्रकाश करते हैं।
they are expressing so much eagerness for meeting Krishna.
कहने की तात्पर्य है,
So meaning to say here,
जिस साधक
when
जब
sadhak,
इस प्रकार भाव दशम में पहुंच जाते
when
हैं,
he
तो
enters this way in the bhav the stage, so sometimes they laugh, sometimes they cry,
कभी अलौकिक शब्द आदि बोलते हैं।
sometimes they speak very different kinds of words.
और supernatural तरह के बोलते हैं।
They speak very supernatural katha.
यहाँ पर भी करेंगे।
Here it is saying,
कभी भाव समुद्र में तरंग में डूबकर वे बाध्य दशा खो बैठते हैं, तो कभी और बाध्य दशा में मन को किंचित भावों का व्यक्त करते हैं। सपनावेश में घर मौन अवस्था अर्थात अर्थवाद्य दशा में कभी कृष्ण को देखा और कभी खो बैठते हैं। बाध्य दशा में विरह दुख रूपी प्राप्त रत्न को खो दिया। सभी उन्मत्त के भांति पशु पक्षी लोग की कृष्ण का पता पूछते हैं। कहीं देखा तो कृष्ण को रात में धैर्य नहीं।
so they used to ask the people, have you seen our Krishna? Have you seen him? Where is Krishna? At the night when they almost at the atmosphere was calm.
नृत्य करते हैं।
It was time for Radhikas.
उसी प्रकार कभी कभी भावावेश में कृष्ण की अनेकों लीलाओं की स्मरण करके भाविष्ट होकर कभी रोते हैं, कभी नृत्य गीत आदि करते हैं। अंतर समय मिलन ही मिलन, आनंद ही आनंद।
Yesterday I told you Mahaprabhu, there is a three condition of Mahaprabhu. First is external, Antardasha, Ardhabhacha, Antardasha. So I told you about the three condition or three stages of Mahaprabhu. First is external, second is half external, and the third is internal. So in the external Dasha, Mahaprabhu used to talk with the devotees. He used to do the chant. He used to take the high hello of the devotees. They used to talk with them in the external stage. In the half external stage, Sriman Mahaprabhu sometimes he used to express or he used to speak about his realization. He used to say some strange words. Just I told you, Mahaprabhu used to say, today I have been to Vrindavan. When I saw in the Yamuna, the Krishna with the gopis, how he is doing the water playing. They are playing in the Yamuna with the gopis. In this way he used to express his feelings. Sometimes Mahaprabhu used to say that I have been to Radhakund. At the Radhakund, at the bank of Radhakund, I was sitting there. I saw that Krishna with the gopis, how he is playing in the water. Mahaprabhu is saying like this. In this, so that was the half external condition. So he used to say some supernatural words. And the internal stage or condition, Mahaprabhu, he was calm and keep quiet. He doesn't speak even a single word. So at the stage of bhav, a sadhak sometimes cry, fire on me. Why I have remained my life? Why have remained my life? Or why I am alive? For obtaining the Krishna prem is not possible for me. In this way, Bhagwan won't give me the darshan. Why I have alive is this times. For what pleasure I am still alive. Sometimes that sadhak laughs as he remembers a pastime and he thinks about Shri Krishna, who steal the young wives of the cowherd man, pass the whole night under a tree in the courtyard. When we go to the Javat, Kokilavan, Javat, and many places we used to go. So you have heard this katha maybe. Krishna, he was knocking the door. Radhaji understood that Krishna is here. Radhaji, when she goes for the opening door, she asks, "Who are you? Who is there? Who is there?" At the time Krishna, he replied, what he replied? I am Hari. Hari means two. There are two meanings of Hari.
बंदर भी कहा जाता है,
First is
शेर
monkey,
भी कहा जाता है,
loins also,
और बड़ी बड़ी कृष्ण
and Hari means Krishna, Vishnu.
किंतु अर्थ क्या ले जाता है?
But what's the meaning we are taking here?
बोले तुम शेर हो, कहीं दरवाजा खोल दिया,
So you are a lion. If we have if I have opened the door, then you will eat me. Eat me.
कभी कहते हैं
Sometimes she says,
तुम कौन हो?
"Who are you?"
कौन कोसी?
Kosi.
कोसी
Kosi.
राजस्थान में लोग जाते हैं, कोसी।
There is a place Kosikala.
हैं?
There's a place is Kosi.
तुम कौन हो?
Who are you?
तब उत्तर देते हैं
Then
क्या?
he replied,
मैं बादल का
"Cloud."
जिसमें बोला समझे?
बादल को किसको? मेघ.
जैसे कृष्ण के नाम के कारण होता है घनश्याम,
Ghanshyam.
घनश्याम,
I am Ghanshyam.
घनश्याम में लोग क्या है?
Ghanshyam means
मैंने अभी बरसाने वाले बादल
so Ghanshyam means the clouds were going to rain immediately.
कभी नहीं, हमें वर्षा की जरूरत नहीं।
So she says, no, we don't need any rain today at the moment. Ghanshyam's one meaning is Krishna, and the second meaning is the clouds who are going to rain immediately. Ghanshyams. This is the meaning of Ghanshyam.
घनश्याम इसी प्रकार
In this way,
सारा रात
whole night,
इस अवसर वार्तालाप
this all conversation was going on.
इसलिए करें
So, here it is saying,
ये सारी रात्रि प्रांगण में वृक्ष के नीचे बिताई, नानाविध सरभंगी आदि के द्वारा भी गोपियां
so he passed the whole night under a tree in the courtyard.
जटिला कुटिला की चौकीदारी तथा प्रश्नोत्तर
He was defeated by Jatila Kutila's careful guardians and interrogation. Sometimes sadhak realizing the leela and they dance, and sometimes they speak the supernatural words. So all by chanting these names, so all these kinds bhav will be manifested in the sadhak's hearts. That the sadhak. So what is the meaning of the shlokas? When sadhak got the stage when they are chanting the name, and by the effect of nam, all these kinds of bhav are manifested in the heart of sadhak.
मूर्ति दर्शन में उल्पान को तथा भगवान की स्तुति आदि कहते हैं।
Attachment to the beholding the beautiful form of his devotee described in the Srimad Bhagavatam. So attach.
धातु प्रबाल नटवेश अनुप्रतांसे
Vinyasya hastam itareena dhunanam abjam karnopratam kapol mukhabja hasam.
ये कौन का है? ये याज्ञिक पत्नी।
कौन? याज्ञिक पत्नी है? Who is saying this shloka? The Yagik Patniya.
ब्राह्मण लोग
When Brahman, the
स्वर्ग
Matras,
आदि
when the
प्राप्त
Brahmans
करने के
lok
लिए
were attaining the Swarga and other lokas,
वहाँ पर क्या कर रहे थे?
they were performing yagya. They were performing yagna there
इंद्र आदि देवता के लक्ष्य
for targeting the Indra. They are in the smart Brahman, which are they are the smart Brahman, so that's why they are doing this kinds of
और उस दिन
fire
भगवान की
sacrifice.
इच्छा से
So at that day, by the wish of Bhagwan, Krishna was
कोई असुर
cow
बलि
grazing
देवता
there, and he went to that where the fire ceremony was going on.
जब कृष्ण
When Krishna
उस तरफ कृष्ण बलराम से अर्जुन आने
when
लगे,
Krishna Balram was coming towards that place,
फिर सखा लोग कहने लगे,
all the sakhas was
कृष्ण
saying,
कृष्ण महाभाव,
Krishna Krishna Mahabhav, Hey Krishna,
हे महाभाव।
Hey Mahabhav.
आज हम लोग
Today,
अपने घर से
from our
कलेवा
house,
लाने में भूल गए।
we have lost to bring Kaleva Prashad,
पेट में तो आज मानो चूहा
Kalevar.
कूद रहे।
So we are very hungry today. Rats are dancing in
भोजन हम
our
कैसे करें?
rats are dancing in our stomach. So how we can get the food?
हम लोग जाते हैं बात रोड,
When we go to Bhatrol,
अपने घर पर,
Akrul Ghat and Bhatrol. Bhatrol.
बात रोड की तरह।
So this is the story of Bhatrol.
वृंदावन रोड पे भी जाए तो बहुत दूर पड़ेगा।
So if we return back to Vrindavan, so it's too far.
इसलिए कहने लगे,
So that's why he's saying, Hey Krishna. They all are saying, Hey Krishna, Hey
हे
Mahabhav,
बलराम,
Hey Balram.
आप बताओ
Please tell us
हम लोग क्या करें?
what we can do now. From where we can bring the
कृष्ण सखा
food.
को बोले देखो,
So Krishna saying to the friends, look,
यमुना के तट पर
at the bank of Yamuna,
धुआं
there is a smoke is coming from there.
धुआं देख करके
So
पता
seeing
चलता
that
है,
a smoke,
ये ब्राह्मण लोग जरूर
so seeing that a smoke, they were thinking, and oh, there must be some Brahman people are doing yagna there. So Krishna Balram,
इसी प्रकार
in this way, saying to the sakhas,
वो समस्त ब्राह्मण
all those Brahman are performing yagna, fire sacrifice there,
और जग में वो लोग बहुत प्रकार
and
के
in the fire they are offering so many kinds of food stuff. So you go there.
ब्राह्मणों के निकल जाते
So go there and before the Brahman pray in this way.
कृष्ण की इच्छा के अनुसार
So according to the wish of Krishna,
उस समस्त भूख प्यास में कातर सखा लोग
who all the friends who were suffering and so much for hungerness, so went to the place where the Brahman was doing the fire sacrifice. They were saying like Swaha Om Indraya Swaha Om Varunaya Swaha Om Swaha Swaha. They were doing like this.
सखा लोग
All the friends, all the sakhas,
आकर के
they came at that place and saying to the Brahman,
आपके वहां से हम लोग कुछ
so
भोजन
can you give us some food because we are so hungry.
इस कथा
We have forgotten to bring the food. So hearing this katha, all the Brahmans was abusing them. Sorry,
अब तो पूर्णाहुति नहीं हुई
we haven't done the Purna Ahuti.
भगवान देखे ये देखो देव सामग्री है
So these all the Dev Samagri, these all the ingredients for Deva, and you are Gwalwal, you are cowherd boys, so you don't have any shame on.
अरे देवता जी को हो
Arey,
हो गई है।
so this is for this all the food stuff for the Devtas.
जब वह पूर्ण होने के बाद
So when the yagna will be completed, then we can give you. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. We can give this food stuff to you after the Purna Ahuti.
तप्त भगवत प्रसाद चित्त किया
So we can give the Bhagavad Prasad, the Uchishta of Bhagwan, because we haven't completed the Purna Ahuti, and now you are asking for the food stuff.
भोजन आदि मान। इस प्रकार
So in this way,
वह समस्त
all
ब्राह्मण
those Brahman,
सखाओं के जो है डंक फटकाया
they scold to the all friends of Krishna, the Sakhas,
फिर पुनः कृष्ण के पास आकर के
and that all those Sakhas came back to Krishna and said, Hey Krishna,
वो समस्त जाति ब्राह्मण
all those Yagic Brahman, all those Brahman,
और भी तो हमें गाली
they
गलौज
didn't
इंटरटेन
give
करते हैं
anything to us, and also they were scolding and abusing us. Krishna said,
हे मोर हे मेरे मित्रों
"Hey, my friend,
सखाओं,
Sakha,
जाओ
go."
उस जाति की पत्नी की
So you go to the wife of that Brahman,
स्त्री जाति के हृदय को
because the heart of the ladies are very soft.
यदि तुम सोचो
If you think
ये नहीं ब्राह्मण लोग तो दिया नहीं
that
फिर वो लोग कैसे देंगे,
the
दोबारा
Brahman
देंगे?
haven't given us anything, so how the all
उसी
the
समय
wives of
में
Brahmans can give?
मानो कृष्ण कहने
So
लगे,
in this context, Krishna was saying,
देखो,
look,
सखाओं,
O Sakha,
जो भिखारी होते
who are the beggar,
हैं, और वो मान नहीं मान
huh?
मान सम्मान नहीं मान।
Okay, who are the beggar? They doesn't expect for the respect. They are not bothered about the respect.
भिक्षा में कोई जा
If they are not taking the ingredients of food stuff from one place, one door, so they can go to the another door. If they didn't get the food stuff in the second door, so they can go to the another door, the third door. So that's why. So it is a proverb.
समाप्त हो सकता है किंतु भिखारी के जेब भली कभी
So the treasures of the kings can be empty, but the bag of the beggar cannot be empty. This is a proverb in Hindi.
क्योंकि भिखारी तो उनकी एक घर नहीं दिया
Because this is the nature of the beggar, that he can walk from door to door. So if he will most probably he will find a gentleman who can give the food stuff to them. And what is the shame to that beggar? That's why Tulsidas ji in the Ramcharitmanas has written what he has written.
भिखारी यदि चाहे
If the beggar wants, if the beggar think or asking or expecting the respect, it is just like
आकाश के दोहन करके उनके कुछ फल प्राप्त
so. In this way, he is asking the fruit from the sky. It is not possible.
भिखारी में क्या मान सम्मान है?
So Vikari doesn't expect for respect. Oh wow.
तुलसीदास की चौपाई है।
So there is a chopai of Tulsidas ji.
क्या है?
Vikari doesn't expect for respect.
तो लिया मैं मान
Ramcharitmanas.
उस दिन लाया था।
I'm going.
सफेद वाला याद है? बहुत सुंदर है। बीच बीच में रावण के चौपाई याद है। चाहे सुख और भिखारी चाहे मान और जिस प्रकार आकाश के दोहन करके कोई परम वस्तु का हिंदी का
First I am telling the who is this Dukhi, who is
दरिद्र समो दुख जगन संसार में दुखी कौन है?
who is so much sorrow in this world. So who is poor is the topmost sorrow. Topmost sorrow. The Sant Milan, meeting to the Sant is the topmost pleasure. नहीं नहीं Kakbhushan ji is saying to Garun ji that which is the topmost sorrow in this world. So the poor has so much sorrow, and what is the topmost pleasure? Meeting with the saintly person is the topmost pleasure. So being poor is nothing is equal to be poor. Sukh, sorrow and the happiness. So who is so much sorrow? What is the sorrow? We can compare sorrow to the beggar, like the poor person. And if somebody is meeting to the saintly person, so this is the topmost happiness in this world. So none other than the happiness to meet with the saintly person. Getting? And what I was the Chopai was saying about भिखारी को अपने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए मान आदर. भिखारी को सम्मान की अपेक्षा नहीं करनी चाहिए. Beggar doesn't expect the respect. क्या क्या पढ़े? रामायण, महाभारत, गीता।
हाँ? ये पढ़ता है, भिखारी चाहिए मान,
So the beggar expect the respect.
भिखारी चाहिए मान।
If the beggar respect the
जो
aspects,
भिखारी भी
expect the
मान
respect.
सम्मान चाहते हैं।
If they wants like this,
बारबणिका जी, बारबणिका
Barwani,
बारबणिका ने विश जी
businessman जो wish बनिए, वैश्य,
prostitute
prostitute. If a prostitute thinks
I will attain
I will
the highest planet,
I will attain the highest planet,
उसमें यही शब्द है ना।
so there is this kinds of word.
नभक बोले आकाश के कोई दोहन करके
So
प्राप्त हो जाए।
no one can get anything from the sky.
मान सकते हैं, बोले इसी प्रकार
So in this way,
इसके फिर आप देखेंगे मिलेंगे।
no one can take from the sky something.
हाँ, इसमें कृष्ण मेरे कहने की तात्पर्य है
So my
कथाओं की कहने लगे, देखो
Krishna
ब्राह्मण तुमको नहीं
are
दिया,
saying to the friends that Brahma haven't given us anything.
तुम लोग क्या करो,
What you can do one thing,
उनके पत्नियों के पास जाओ,
you go to the wife of the Brahmins,
ब्राह्मणी के पास जाओ।
the Brahmani.
यदि कहो अरे एक तो दिया नहीं, फिर दोबारा वो भी तो नहीं देंगे, उनकी जब पति लोग जब नहीं दिया,
Because
उनके पत्नी कैसे देती?
husband hasn't given anything, so how the Brahmani can they? So in this context, the Krishna is saying,
ऐसे संभव प्रकाश मत करो।
so don't be doubtful here.
जो भिखारी होते हैं,
Because who are the beggars?
कर्जा आदि टैक्स
They
करके
they can give up everything and go from one place to another place. They can leave one place, one door to another door. They can go from one door to another. In the same way,
जाओ।
you go.
इस प्रकार सुन करके वो तो बालक ने किया कि
So all the coward boys went to the Brahmani.
उस समय ब्राह्मणियों के
So at that time,
कहने लगे, कृष्ण
they
भगवान
told to Brahmani, Krishna Balram,
आए।
they have come here.
बस कृष्ण बलराम के नाम सुन करके
So hearing the name of Krishna Balram, all that Brahmanis, the Yagik Patni,
स्वर्ण की थाल में अनेक प्रकार के
they put the food stuff on the golden plate
चल पड़े।
and moving towards the Krishna Balram for the taking darshan of Govinda.
बहुत दिन से मानो उसका जाति
So for how long days all the Yagik Patnis was so much excited and eager to take the darshan of Govinda.
इसलिए आज
That's why today,
गोविंद के नाम सुनते ही
so hearing the name of
वो
Govinda,
समस्त जाति पत्नियां क्या
those
करें?
all the Yagik Patni, the Brahmanis,
वही समस्त जगह के जितने प्रकार की सामग्री की जो है लड्डू कचौड़ी
so all kinds of food stuff, the laddu kachori they have prepared, they have carrying and moving towards Govinda. And
क्योंकि यज्ञ के तात्पर्य क्या है?
because what is the meaning of fire sacrifice? Yagya means Krishna.
विष्णु के अर्पित नहीं किया
If you
गया,
haven't offered anything in the yagna to Vishnu, it's all waste.
आज साक्षात गोविंद
And today Govind himself
आए।
appeared.
इसलिए वो समस्त ब्राह्मण
So that's why all the Brahmani, the Brahman wives,
भजन की समस्त सामग्री
taking
लेकर के
taking the plates of the food stuff, she was moving towards Govinda
गोविंद के दर्शन करके आए।
and taking the darshan of Govinda.
और गोविंद के दर्शन करके
And
वो समस्त जाति पत्नियां
seeing that Govinda, taking the darshan of Govinda, all that Yagik Patni, all that Brahmani, full of love,
उनके सखाओं के भी भजन
they have served the food to the Krishna Balam and all his friends, all those friends, and they were doing the studies of Govinda.
हिरण्य परिधे वनमाल्लभः धातु प्रवालनटवेदम् अनुव्रतांसि विन्नस्तः
all these Yagik Patni, all these Brahmanis,
गोविंद के किस प्रकार
how they have doing the,
माधुर्य के वर्णन
how they are describing the Madhurya of Govind, the beautifulness of Govind.
श्रीमद् भागवत में
In the Shrimad Bhagavatam, Gurudev used to say it, used to tell
कृष्ण के रूप माधुर्य
the Krishna's Roop Madhurya is cannot described by three peoples. First is Brahmaji, second the Yagik Patni, Indra, third is Gopis. First is Brahma, second is Yagik Patni, and the third is Gopi.
पहले ब्रह्मा जी ब्रह्मस्तुति है
In the Brahma Stuti, Brahmaji described the beautifulness, the Madhurya of Krishna,
और तीसरी
and the third is by the Gopis.
नहीं
Dusri, Yagik Patni, the Brahmanis,
ब्राह्मणी का
the wives of Brahma. They have described the beautifulness of Krishna, and the third is Gopis.
गोपियां बनती हैं। कितना सुंदर
How beautiful.
इसी कारण यहाँ पर जो कहा
So
गया
that's why it is saying here,
नवजदल यदि श्याम हिरण्यपरि
Syam Hiranyaparitham
वनमाल करवा
Vanamalya Varaha.
धातु प्रवाल नववेश अनुप्रदान है नवजलधर के समान सामने उनकी अंग शांति है उस पर स्वर्ण की आभा को पराभूत करने वाला पीताम्बर
He is dark complexion, like a fresh rain cloud,
मोर का पंख
and his yellow cloth, which defeats the splendor of gold,
धातुओं से चित्रकारी कर
shimmers against his body.
नयने कपड़ों की
His head is decorated with a peacock feather, and every part of his body is ornamented with designs
धारण किया है
that are drawn with various colored minerals.
पांच रंग
A spring of new leaves
वर्णमाला
adorn his body,
लग रही
and around his neck
है
is an enchanting forest flower garland of 5 colors.
इसलिए करें
So that's
गले
why
में पांच रंग की
there
वर्णमाला
are
बड़ी
5
मनोहर
kinds of flower. His neck is an enchanting forest flower garland of 5 colors.
लीला कमल को
Dressed in this way, he appears as a fresh, youthful, expert dancer.
कपड़ों
He
पर
rests
डाले
one
वाले
hand upon his Sakha's shoulder, and with the other he
तथा मुख
twirls a pastime lotus.
से प्रफुल्लित
His ears are decorated with earring, kundals, and curly locks of hair splash against his cheeks. And his lotus face blossoms with a gentle smile.
धातवादि मंदे नटवे संगी संगे कंदे नस्त पद्मकर कर्णभूषा अलका कपल स्मिताधर इस प्रकार गोविंद
So in this way the Govinda,
मैं पर अपने माधुर्य विजय प्रकाश कर
so he has glorified his Madhurya. Where is
वसंत
Sonu Bhaiya?
ब्राह्मणी
All that Brahmanis,
कृष्ण के ऐसे सुंदर वर्णन कर
so they were describing the beautiful form of Krishna.
इस श्लोक की याद कर
So you must learn this shloka.
वनमाल्यर्वहं धातु प्रवालन कवेश अनुव्रतान्ते विन्नस्तहस्तमितरेण धुनाभ्यं कर्णोत्तरालककपोलं मुखाब्जभासं कर्णोत्तरालककपोलं मुखाब्जभासं प्रति अवस्था उपस्थित होने पर मूर्ति के दर्शन कर साधक के हृदय में अनुराग उत्पन्न होता है तथा वह रूपस्थ भाव में कृष्ण की रूप छटा का अनुभव करता है
So
और मस्तक पर मोर मुकुट सुशोभित है गलदेश में ब्रजवियों के द्वारा पत्र पुष्पित सभी
Upon the appearance of Rati, attachment arises in the sadhak's heart. When he takes darshan of the deity and he experiences the splendor of Shri Krishna's beauty as described in this verse. Krishna's head is decorated with a peacock feather crown and his neck is beautiful. He is beautified by the garland of flowers and leaves strung. The Braj Gopis, his body is decorated with pictures made with aromatic minerals from Kamyavan. Shri Krishna, who attracts everyone with his smiling face, puts his left arm around the shoulder of a Priya Narmasaka and his right hand twirls pastime lotus. The Acharya explains that from his twirling of the pastime lotus it can understood that Krishna's heart dances like that lotus when he sees the devotees or the devotees. So there are many kinds of meanings. Vishwanath Chakravarti is giving so many explanations, just like he is twirling the lotus in his hand. So Leeladhari Leela Purushottam, he is doing the Prem Leela. So how many kinds of beautiful bhav he has manifested. In this way,
भक्तों का मन श्री कृष्ण को देखकर ऐसा नाचता है उस प्रकार श्री कृष्ण अपने भावों का व्यक्त कर रहे हैं.
So at the time Shri Krishna expressed the sentiments, "O fortunate Brahmanis, I am holding your lotus like heart in my hand." So taking my darshan, so upon attaining my darshan of me, your heart dance like of this lotus. Or hey, by accepting your hearts, I will make you my own. Hey Bhagyavati Brahmaniyo, I have taken your heart in my hand. So by upon attaining the darshan of me, your heart dance like this lotus. And so accepting your heart, I will make you my own. So Krishna, by his sweetness of his body, entities all living entities to drink nectar by attracting them. How beautiful! Very nice bhav is that. Very nice bhav. घड़ी रुक गई है गुरुदेव. घड़ी रुक गई है. घड़ी रुक गई है. 7 बज गए. हाँ. सैलरी को
अभी खत्म हो गया.
नहीं, पहले ही हो गया था. अभी आपकी घड़ी में कितना हो गया? 6:35 पे हुआ है. अरे 6:35 पे हो गया, लेकिन टाइम तो कितना हो गया है अभी? हाँ, 6:35 पे खत्म बंद हुआ ना. अरे तो अभी थोड़ी ना हुआ. 6:35 पे हुआ, इसको मतलब पहले हुआ है. वो तो अभी भी 6:35 हुआ होगा. अभी हुआ है, अभी नहीं हुआ. हमेशा. चलो कृष्णा आगे चलता हूँ. बस कर रहे हो, कोई बात करो.
इस प्रकार कितना सुंदर. कर्णापीडं नटवर्गोपु कर्ण्यकर्णिकारं बिभ्रतवासकनसकपीतं वैजयन्तजमालं रन्ध्रं वेणुरथसुधया पुरयमगोपवृन्दै विन्दारणं सफलरमणं प्राविशदगीतिकेति. श्रीमद् भागवत में
श्रीमद् भागवतम
पूर्व रागवती गोपियों के अपने भाव नेत्र से कृष्ण के सौंदर्य का वर्णन कर रही है.
So by the Purva Raga Gati, the gopis are describing the beauty of Krishna. His Shyam Sundar is entering the forest of Vrindavan by his cowherd friends. So he has peacock feather, he has karnika flower in his ears, his body has a pitambar, so he has a five kinds of flower, fragrant flowers.
रंग मंच पर सुंदर अभिनय करने वाले नटवर के समान सुंदर वेश है
he has a form like the expert dancer on a stage, and the nectar of his lips flows through the holes of his flute, singing his glories. He cowherd boys follows from behind, follows him. In this way, the Vrindavan Dham
उनकी शंख चक्र आदि लक्षण से युक्त चरण कमल के चिन्ह के अंकित होकर भी सुशोभित हो रहा है.
So that is
कृष्ण जब गोचारण के लिए जाते,
when Krishna was going for the cow grazing, the gopis
गृह में रह करके
at the home,
कृष्ण की इसी प्रकार स्मरण,
so they were remembering Krishna in this way.
गोपियां विचार करें,
Gopis are thinking, so we are the lady caste,
कृष्ण के साथ हम जा नहीं सकते,
we cannot go with Krishna.
नारी ना कोरी कर दी. यदि ब्रह्मा,
If Brahma,
सृष्टिकर्ता ब्रह्मा,
if the creator of if the creator Brahma, he doesn't, if he has given us the Purush body, so if we get the Krishna's cowherd's friend, just like the Subhashridam, this all,
कृष्ण के साथ कैसे
how
मधुर भाव से,
they are
प्रेम से
very lovingly going for the cow grazing.
विधि ना करी कर नारी, यदि विधि शरीर के शरीर नहीं,
If we won't get this body,
कौन सा शरीर देते,
Purush, so we get the man caste,
अर्थात
पुरुष
सभाओं के
जाति.
भांति हम क्या करते,
So we used to go with the Krishna like his friends.
ओए, तुलसी तो ले आओ, 7 बज गया.
Oh, bring the tulsi, it's 7 almost. Krishna, Krishna. Arav, he must be coming.
पुरुष शरीर देते, स्त्री शरीर नहीं दे करके पुरुष
If the Brahma doesn't give us the
पुरुष शरीर समझ,
lady's body, then we get the
पुरुष
Purush.
का कौन सा शरीर चाहिए,
Gop, cow,
शरीर,
Gop Shari.
सभाओं के भांति हम
So, like the Krishna's friends, we move
गोचारण
going for the cow grazing with Krishna. So, in this way, the gopis are praying,
यदि हम विधि के
they are expressing their feelings.
स्त्री शरीर नहीं दे करके
If we haven't got this lady's body,
पुरुष शरीर देते,
if we got the cowherd boy's body, so like Krishna's friend, we used to for the cow grazing with Krishna.
हमें सहन करना ही पड़ता.
So we cannot have to, we haven't to tolerate the Krishna's prem. So we are so much suffering. So that's why they are expressing their sorrow that we have got this lady's body. So how much pain is it in it?
पूर्वरागवती गोपियां अपने भाव नेत्र से कृष्ण के सौंदर्य वर्णन कर रही हैं. ये सुंदर
So gopis are expressing their bhav in this verses. So just like the Krishna is entering in the Vrindavan, so he has a peacock feather in his head, he has a kanerika flower in his ears, his complexion is like a gold, no complexion, it's pitambar, it's like a gold complexion, and there are 5 kinds of garland, 5 kinds of flowers making a garland in his neck. So he is playing a character like a stage dancer, and his nectar, his lips flow through the holes of his flutes, singing his glories. All the cowherd boys going and chasing him. In this way, Vrindavan Dham He has which more he has a form like Bakund, who has beautifully Shri Krishna's lotus feet, who has the conch disc and other symbols. When Krishna was going for the cow grazing, and so Charan. So when on the dust Krishna's feet are, so seeing the footprints of the Krishnas on the dust, all the devtas, just like Brahma and others, Narad, Shiva, Indra, Dikpal, others, they all came to the Vrindavan and they take that lotus dust, into their hat. So very nicely beautiful bhav is expressing here. How? So one by one we will describe tomorrow. Bhajan Rasivrati. Bhajan Rasivrati we will study, is too long. So we will express. Here there is a nice explanation of one word. So Vishwanath Chakravarti Path, Barapidam, Natvarpaku. So he has described and then Srila Gurudev has described in a very short way here. How beautiful that explanation is here. You got to know? Okay. बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय. श्री राधे कृष्णा हैते चतुर्मुखा कृष्ण सेवन